The challenge of living in tiny spaces has captivated the minds of furniture designers. The key is to find ways to create multifunctional furniture. So if you're living in a small house, we've brought you some futuristic ideas to help you save some space. Cloud Bed Oriliving. The Ori cloud bed rises to the ceiling to reveal a cozy living space with a sofa and a coffee table. It is a fantastic and effortless way to transform space and create two rooms within one. The cloud bed is certified, a safety certification ensuring that it always floats safely into the ceiling or onto the ground. SSD Fabric Storage Sofa. This astonishing sofa comes with a huge storage space at the bottom to store various things, like books, toys, clothes, pet food, and many more. The armrest of this sofa can be used as a cushion. Besides, it has storage space too. And if you remove the back cushion, it turns into a spacious bed. D-Star Table. The D-Star Table is a fully functioning 3D puzzle that turns its form into an adaptable, flexible, low or coffee table. It is great as a storage box when in a square formation, while perfect for hiding your things in a triangle formation. The flexible design means that the D-Star table can be adapted to complement any living space, while the clean lines make it a stylish addition to any house. Spacemax. This modern apartment was designed by Spacemax to showcase the combination of smart furniture innovations to save more space without sacrificing aesthetics and functionality. Subsequently, you can maximize storage by using corner spaces and folding dining tables. In addition, there are some lovely space-saving ideas such as this coffee table, this luxurious sofa that turns into a comfortable bed, and this minimalistic folding wall desk. The apartment's kitchen is well designed to save space as well. What creative home design ideas? Spaceman-Slide Kids Loft Bed. The unique space-saving loft bed slides forward to create a safe pathway for your child to get in and out of the top bunker. It comes with a built-in retractable study desk, wardrobe, and drawers. Hidden staircase. This small sliding retractable staircase is an interesting idea to access the high storage. It can be deployed in the blink of an eye on both sides. Boxspring Met TV-lift. If you lack TV space in your bedroom, then the Boxspring Met TV-lift is an ideal solution for you. It's a combination of comfort with a luxurious modern look. You can watch your favorite series and films from the comfort of your bed with the push of a button. The Libbb bed. This 4-in-1 multifunctional bed is an ideal solution to optimize your interior space. It comes with 4 practical functions to use: a bed, desk, banquets, and a bookcase, all controlled by remote control. Folding cabinet doors. The ingenious folding doors on this luxurious cabinet are a feat of engineering that took a year to perfect. Instead of swinging open on hinges, they pivot, fold, and unfold. Folding bed and sofa. A folding bed and sofa is a convenient solution to gain more space in the room. It is versatile, practical, and at the same time economical. This type of furniture is suitable for a modern family which needs more space but also wants a simple and airy look for their own home.